Okay, so I'll be discussing the number 5. And so let's read the question together. Refer to the picture below. Two straight lines, wires, are placed parallel. The distance between the wire is 6 centimeter, and the point P, which is in here, is placed 1.5 centimeter from A. What is the magnetic field in P point? Okay, so referring to the picture, that means there are combination between two rods because there will be two forces acting on a single point. And so let's illustrate more below. So suppose we have a straight wire in here, A, and then we have the B. And because the distance between the wire is 6 centimeter, that means the whole distance is 6 centimeter, and point P is placed 1.5 centimeter from A, which approximately assume it will be here, point P. This one is 1.5 centimeter. That means the rest of the distance, which is the point to B, to the rod B, is how much? Is 4.5 centimeter. Because when we add both of the value, it'll add up to be 6, right? Now, and because this is the kind of a straight wire, straight wire, the formula we'll be using is for the magnetic field, the B, for example, the B will be mu OI over 2P 2PA, 2PA. A is the distance, the distance between the point to the rod, while P is just the constant. Mu 0 is also a constant, the Weber, which is exactly is 4P times 10 to the power of negative 7. And the I, well, of course, from the question we know that it is 20 amperes, and both rods will contain 20 amperes. So IA, IB equal to 20 amperes. Okay, so now let's just calculate first, the force between the rod A and rod B. So for example, in the magnetic field for the B, BA, just insert to the formula mu 0, that means the value will be 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7. It will be times by 20, times by 20 over 2 pi. Nah, times the A. The A is, the SI unit is meter, while in this case it is still in centimeter. That means we still divide it by 100. So for the A, it will be 0.015, Okay, so we can actually cancel this outright. Become 1, this one become 2, and then that means we just use a calculator, for an exact measuring. I mean 2 times 10 to the power of negative 7 times by 20 over 0.015, and then it'll become, okay, the answer is actually a recurring decimal, so we take it's like an approximity. It'll be 0.000267, because 666, that means we take the 7 out for the last digit. And now for the second magnetic field, which is the BB, the same, because the constant is always the same for everything. 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7 times by 20 also over 2 pi times by, because this is also in centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, we divide again by 100, which is 0.045. And the same, we can cross this first, 1 and 2. Okay, and the up is still the same, only the distance is different. 0.045 in here. Wait, 2 times 10 to the power, 0.04. I mean, this is the 0, yeah, the answer is 0.00008 and 9. Yeah, because it's also a recurring decimal, 888, that means 89. Okay, now we should check the direction of the magnetic field, yeah, because this is there are both forces acting, and we shall know the direction to be able to calculate the net work, yeah, the net force. Now we'll be calculating it using the right hand rule. So for the rod A, ya, yang the thumb will represent the current, ya, the current direction, while the rest of the four fingers will represent the direction. So for rod A, that means like this, yeah. Well, turns out in point P, because the rest of the forefinger is pointing in, ya, into the hand, that means it's an in. An in will be in, ya, represented by a cross, while out represented by a dot, ya. Nah, that means the A, ya, in BA is this one is a cross because it's going in. Well, for this one, the rod B still the same, the current, but it's on the left. Nah, because it's on the left, that means it's going out, ya, toward us. Nah, and so it's a dot. Nah, because the symbols are opposing, ya, that means the network, ya, the net forces will be also minus, ya, not plus, ya, because it's a different symbol, ya, different symbol. If it's the same, we plus it. If it's different, we minus it. And so, ya, the BT, ya, the magnetic field total. So we use the higher value, so it won't be negative, ya. 0.000267, ya, minus by 0.000089, which will equal to 0.000267 minus by 0.00089, which will be 1.78 times 10 to the power of negative 4. So 1.78 times 10 to the power of negative 4. And what's the unit? Well, of course, Tesla, ya. Tesla. Well, actually, this one is also the unit Tesla, ya. And so this will be our final answer. Thank you.